Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn to solve two-step algebraic equation. Our first equation, 3x plus 5 equals to 17. First step is to isolate x. But the question is, which operation to undo first? For solving two-step equation, we have to do reverse BODMAS. Let's start. 3x plus 5 equals to 17. So subtraction is not there, we'll skip it. Next is addition. We will transpose plus 5 from left hand side to the right hand side and it will become minus 5. 3x equals to 17 minus 5. 3x equals to 12. Now next multiplication. Our multiplier 3 will become divisor on right hand side. X equals to 12 divided by 3, x equals to 4. Now we will verify our solution. We will replace the value of x. 3x plus 5. So 3 into 4 plus 5. 3 4 is 12 plus 5 equals to 17. Left hand side and right hand side are equal. Now let us take another equation. X divided by 2 minus 4 equals to 6. So we will undo subtraction. So what we will do? We will transpose minus 4 from left hand side to the right hand side and it will become plus 4. X divided by 2 equals to 6 plus 4. X divided by 2 equals to 10. Next is division. So we will do division. Our divisor 2 will become multiplier on right hand side. X equals to 10 into 2, x equals to 20.